Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, a few items I've got for sale. I've got the pointing hods, I've got the bungees, I've got some motor raking discs. They're 6.4 thick and they're 4.5 inch. And I've got finger trowels. These ones, I've got a few 16mm ones. They're for pointing stonework. And I've got some travel mugs. It's a new line that I'm doing. They've got like a steel insert. I actually use these. I've been using these for months. I like them. They say various things on them. And they come in this white, or they can come in this steel or chrome effect. But if you're interested in anything, just send me a private message and what you want, and I'll sort out the best deal I can for you. That's great, thank you.